Matterport vs Kuula 2025. Which December 16, 2025 virtual tour platform is better? December 16, 2025 virtual tours are becoming essential in real estate, hospitality and retail. But in 2025, which platform is better, Matterport or Kuula? Matterport is the industry standard for immersive December 16, 2025 tours. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just for real estate, but it's used by hotels, museums and construction projects. You won't believe what happens next. Matterport captures spaces in true December 16, 2025 with accurate measurements and high-resolution imagery, allowing clients to explore properties virtually as if they were there. Kuula is more affordable and beginner-friendly. It allows quick 360 photo uploads and simple interactive tours. While it doesn't match Matterport's advanced December 16, 2025 scanning, it's perfect for smaller projects, portfolios, or online listings where full spatial accuracy isn't required. Pricing and ease of use are key differences. Matterport requires more expensive hardware and subscriptions, while Kuula works with standard 360 cameras and offers lower subscription costs. So, which is better? For professional-grade immersive experiences and measurement-accurate tours, Matterport wins. For fast, budget-friendly 360 tours, Kuula is smarter. The surprising truth is that the best platform depends on your goals. Sometimes simpler, cheaper solutions like Kuula meet your needs better than a high-end platform like Matterport.